If you had two brothers, you'd probably have a blood inside me Louisiana kitchen Popeyes. I can't stay at home shirt. Lot of pictures. Third child in a family of 3 daughters. My parents had kid and girl fatigue by the time I came around. Not sure which. Blood inside me Louisiana kitchen Popeyes. I can't stay at home shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. The point is the first boy or the blood inside me Louisiana kitchen Popeyes. I can't stay at home shirt. First girl is more exciting. Your husband has 3 sisters. The first sister probably has as many pictures as your husband, with it falling off from there. Supposedly there are people out there who have children on purpose and then love them so much that they make special photo albums, scrapbooks devoted to the first few years of their lives. Sounds like some made-up fantasy world bullshit to me. And I'm sure they give their babies their own special bed and their own special toys and chairs. Right? Other products.